All right, welcome. Hold on, let me turn on the light here. It's a little too dark. All right, here we go. So, I know it's been a while since I made a video about my progress in my progress in University of Phoenix. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. So, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded any videos about my schoolwork. So, let's go ahead and talk about the last class I've taken. And then from there, my next video would be about the class previous to the one I'm talking about right now. It's not my current class, but it's the class I took 3 weeks ago. So, the class I took 3 weeks ago is business finance. Holy moly, what an intense class. It's one of the intensest classes I've ever had throughout my program here, at least for me at the University of Phoenix. Incredibly difficult. I still managed to get a great grade though, A minus, with the hard work and studying I have done. And I kid you not, without this book, I would have not been able to learn, I guess, effectively in the way I learn. Obviously, I am a visual learner and I have to take notes. And then the beauty about this class that I've learned is it's all really about learning how to use your graphing calculator and your graphing calculator, as well as like a spreadsheet. I shouldn't say as well, or an Excel spreadsheet. That's something I wish I kind of like. I had no experience with Excel as far as working with it for a job, but however, it's really interesting and nice to know that it is available there, to take the course. And actually, you could solve some of the same problems you could solve with a graphing calculator with the finance function. You can solve with the Excel spreadsheet, which is nice. However, you need to know the formulas and all that. And how to get access to this, to the formulas on Excel. I know how to get access to it, but like I guess where I'm struggling out right now is learning how to not only get the formula or how to populate the answers to these equations in here, but it's also like learning how to put the cells together to get them right. That's kind of where I'm like, what do I do? It's been a while. But it's the beauty about this is you can continuously learn, especially with Excel. There's a lot of programs out there and courses aside from University of Phoenix that you can actually be a master in and get a certificate in. So then Coursera, I believe, is one of them. Don't quote me on it. That it's not a paid partnership or a video. But also study.com, I believe, also have programs like that where you could actually go ahead and learn. Take Excel to a mastery level, which I'm thinking about doing in the future. But some of the challenges I had in this class, well, I really enjoyed this class because it's kind of like racing in a course, like in a speed car race, I guess, where there's a lot of, it's not like it's like you're in a circuit with this class, right? You're racing in a circuit where it gets a little difficult with more challenging turns, and also not so much challenging turns, but also like a little bumps along the way. I actually, what made me successful in this class was doing the problems. Like as soon as I got done reading the chapter, there's some practice programs I did, and then just literally just working it out with a sheet of paper, and then getting the formulas right to getting the right answers, because there's just a lot of formulas here in finance. Not kind of what I expected, but like what I found with this course. Because originally I was going to go for a accounting degree. So speaking with my counselor, she consulted with me to say, really, if you want to get done quicker with your degree, your best bet is the management path. So I was like, oh, great, cool. So that's kind of how I ended up with a management program versus like an accounting program. But it's okay with me. Still a business degree, so super happy about that. But yeah, so tips about this course that really helped me was really reading and working out the problems. Taking a lot of the what you call it, because those of you who watch my channel who are Phoenix alumni or Phoenix students, you know that you could take the practice problems over and over and over again. That's kind of what I did to help me get through this course. And the nice thing is sometimes in certain courses, the test populates with different random questions, and that really helps me a whole lot. So that's kind of my 2 cents for this course and how I ended up getting a really good grade and passing it. And math is not really my strong suit, but I guess it is because I got a good grade in it. But it's just repetition, really. Repetition and learning the patterns, and the patterns kind of tell a story. For those of you who are math guys and girls over there, you could probably relate to what I'm going to say. Really, math is nothing more than just telling a story. Telling a story of like how A and B work together, I guess. I don't know. I'm not really a math person. But that's how kind of I approach every single math problem. Approach it as like you're not really necessarily solving. Well, you're solving the problem, obviously. So it's like a part mystery novel, but also part Three Little Pigs novels where you know the outcome, right? You know the series of events that have to take place to get to that answer. So I hope that piece of advice got you guys engaged and kind of like got a light bulb in. A light bulb aha moment. So yeah, so that's kind of my strategy. Current class I'm in right now is marketing. Very nice, very not as intense as this thing right here, but it's nice. It's good to know. I guess it's important for the program. Any business managers out there, let me know. Your course and how it went, your program and how it went. I'm going the internet route, obviously, because I work full time, and there's really no other way. I can't attend class and work at the same time, which I would like to do, but part of me is kind of I've warmed up to the online experience of learning. So without further ado, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, and catch you on the next video.